What is up, you guys? It's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a back to school essentials for my ladies. Okay, this is a back to school emergency kit pretty much. I'm very excited for this video because I know a lot of you guys are wondering what you should bring to school if you're going back to seated classrooms, and you definitely need some of these items. So let's just get right into the video. I have this. So I have some wet ones, and this is antibacterial wipes, and this kills 99.9% germs, which you definitely need, especially during Rona and after. You know, especially on your desk, like when you get to school and you sit down at your desk, you don't want germs from other students on there. It's the #1 important thing out of this whole entire list. This is #1. If you don't bring this, then you need to stay at home. A mask, okay? And the reason why it's in a Ziploc bag right now is because I don't want mask everywhere. Definitely want to keep it protected from stuff, and definitely wash your masks. I have my black mask, looks like this. I'm not gonna put it on. So yeah, you definitely need a mask. Yeah, if you don't wear a mask, I don't know what to tell you. Just wear a mask. It's not that hard. It's not hard, and it's protecting yourself from other people. So just wear a mask, okay? Next. So personally for me, I wear glasses and I have contacts. I like to keep my glasses, my contacts, everything. The next thing I recommend is bringing some lotion, whatever you need. I personally just use the cocoa butter daily skin therapy because I have some dry skin, y'all. My elbows are dry. Another thing that you want to bring with you is pads, tampons, whatever you use. Make sure you bring some what am I talking about? Make sure you bring your pads, tampons, panty liners, whatever you may need, because you never know when an accident might happen at school. Okay, so I definitely recommend you guys bring some lash glue. If you wear lashes, if you're the type to wear lashes, definitely recommend bringing lash glue, because there's so many times where I went to school and my lashes were literally about to fall off and were hanging by a thread. So I definitely recommend you guys bring some lash glue with you, because these lashes be trying to play you. The next thing is deodorant, because you know you don't want to have body odor. Next thing that you need is a wallet. You're gonna want to make sure you have that money with you. You don't want to be without money or without a wallet, because you know you want your ID on you at all times. So perfume, you can bring a smaller perfume. I don't really have one that I can find right now, so I just put this one in here, but definitely get some perfume. It's the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume, which I'm obsessed with the smell. It smells so good. This is like one of my favorite perfumes ever. So I definitely recommend you bring perfume, cologne, whatever you wear to school, so you can touch up during the day. Next, very important as well, this is hand sanitizer. Definitely bring some hand sanitizer and you'll be set. Next is a bathroom spray if you use the bathroom at school and you just want to make sure that your bathroom is smelling good when you walk out. Definitely get one of these. This is like a little mini spray. This is in the scent strawberry and it smells really, really good. I love it. And yeah, next thing that you need is some lip balm, Carmex medicated, and this is very, very helpful because my lips be chapped. I don't know about y'all, but my lips will be plainly be chapped. So I definitely recommend some lip balm, some Carmex, or whatever you use throughout the day. Apply it to your lips. You know, you don't want some chapped lips when you're talking to people and it's just like crusty, because I've had this problem where I'm like licking my lips all throughout the day because I don't have any chapstick. I'll lick my lips and it'll just be dry at the end of the day, and when I get home it's red and crusty. I'm just like, nah, I need some Carmex. Our AirPods, headphones, Beats, whatever you have, bring some headphones with you, because you know it's gonna be boring walking around campus having a mask on, nobody to talk to. And even before Corona happened, I had headphones in because I just don't want to talk to people. So definitely always recommend headphones. So yeah, and a charger. You don't want your phone to be dead throughout the day. I've had this problem before. I would leave my charger at home and I only had like 1% left, and it's just always good to have a charger on you because you never know when you need to talk to somebody, if something happens. You just want to make sure your phone is always charged at all times. So definitely recommend bringing a charger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I definitely will talk to you guys in my next one.